Hello, this is Opinion Radar. And if you're diving into cabinetry upgrades or building custom doors, you know how critical proper hinge installation is, especially when you're aiming for that seamless, flush look concealed hinges provide. Today, we're looking at a system designed to take the stress out of one of the trickiest parts of the job, the KREG KHI-Hinge concealed jig paired with the KHC-Premium face clamp. Priced at $67, this combo promises precision and repeatability, but does it live up to the hype for everyday woodworkers? Over the next few minutes, I'll walk you through my real-world experience from unboxing to final installation, covering setup speed, build quality, and long-term reliability. This isn't just about drilling holes, it's about confidence, consistency, and avoiding costly mistakes. Whether you're refreshing a single cabinet or tackling a full kitchen, this tool may be the upgrade your workshop's been missing. Let's dive in. Let me tell you, if you're tackling cabinet or door work and dreading the hassle of installing concealed hinges, the KREG KHI-Hinge concealed jig paired with the KHC Premium face clamp is a game changer. I recently used this setup while upgrading the cabinetry in my home, and the precision it delivers is exactly what you need when you want clean, professional results. The jig ensures every hole is drilled in the exact right spot, no guesswork, no second chances when you're one mistake away from ruining a newly finished door. The offset cams work seamlessly to position the Forstner bit perfectly, and once you've got the jig set up, it's repeatable, reliable, and fast. I put it through the test on over 20 doors, and every single hinge hole aligned flawlessly. The bit itself is sharp and cuts cleanly, leaving a smooth mortise that fits the hinge like it was made in a factory. This isn't just a time saver, it's a confidence builder for DIYers who want their work to look like it was done by a pro. One thing I really appreciated was how quickly I could set this up and get to work. You attach the face clamp, KREG's own KHC clamp, which by the way has a solid no-nonsense build, and it holds the jig firmly in place. I tried using a different shop clamp at first, but the KREG version just fits better and locks everything down tighter. That's important because any wiggle during drilling throws off the entire alignment. I did notice that sawdust and wood chips can build up in the joints between the jig components, so I got into the habit of blowing it out between uses. A little shop vac or air canister goes a long way. Once you're rolling, though, the process becomes almost rhythmic. Position, clamp, drill, repeat. I ended up doing nearly 50 cabinet faces over a weekend, and the jig didn't miss a beat. The consistency made pre-drilling the mounting screws on the cabinet frames a breeze. Since all the door holes matched, everything lined up without tweaking. Now, let's talk about the good and the not so good. On the plus side, the build quality of the jig is impressive, solid machining, tight tolerances, and clear instructions that walk you through every step. The included clamp is a big part of why this system works so well. That said, I can see where some users might run into issues. I heard from a buddy who tried a similar project and started seeing misalignment after about 8 or 9 holes. Turns out, the plastic collar around the Forstner bit can heat up and warp with extended use. It's not something I experienced personally, probably because I worked in shorter sessions, but it's worth noting. If you're doing a massive batch of doors back-to-back, that component might struggle. An all-metal guide would have been more durable for heavy use, and a small storage spot for the Allen wrench and 1/16 bit would have made tool organization a little easier. Minor gripes, but real ones under sustained use. For me, this setup was the difference between a frustrating renovation and a rewarding one. I'm not a professional cabinet maker, but thanks to this jig, my kitchen upgrade looks like I am. People couldn't believe I did the doors myself, and honestly, before this tool, I wouldn't have believed it either. At $67, it's not the cheapest option out there, but when you consider the cost of ruined materials or having to call in a pro, it's a fair investment. The face clamp alone is worth the price of admission. If you're serious about your woodworking, whether it's shaker doors, a laundry room refresh, or just modernizing a dated kitchen. This combo gives you precision, speed, and repeatable results. Just take breaks to let things cool if you're going nonstop, and maybe keep an extra clamp handy. Overall, I'd buy it again in a heartbeat. If you're ready to drill down into precision woodworking, make sure your toolkit includes smart choices, and your next move should be clicking that like button and subscribing. Don't just hinge on hope, build confidence in every project. Stay tuned, stay sharp, and let's get every hole perfectly aligned